I'm a very different person at 31 to who I was like 4 years ago.
Yeah, obviously.
6 years ago, 8 years ago. So I feel like as women, we should find ourselves like.
The only problem is when most modern chicks, yeah, at 18, 19, 20, 21, blah, 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 talk about their finding themselves, really they're just throwing their box around. But the fact of the matter is, your best years are between like, let's just talk from when the age of consent, yeah? 18 to like 25.
Okay, so why was 18 to 25 your best years?
No, your best years as a woman, not me.
Why is that?
Because your looks fade.
No,
What do you mean, nah? Your look, nah, it's not nah, bruv. Your looks fade.
Nah, bruv. Looks
yeah, bruv.
yeah,
bruv.
So you telling me,
bro, okay, let me ask you this. Let me ask you this.
Hold on.
Let me ask you this though, quickly. Do you think at 31 you're as attractive as you was at 18?
More attractive.
You think you're more attractive?
I look back at myself and I think, how did I get boys?
So okay, so what you saying? You was one of those girls that glowed up, yeah? You wasn't all that back in the day.
No. I was all that from the age of 18. Yeah.
So you was so okay. So basically, what you're saying is that you was all that at 18, and you think that you're still pushing up in the attractiveness charts at 31.
100%.
Okay.
If I look at myself now, I feel like I'm way better looking than I've ever been.
Is it?
100%. From the age of like 28, 29, 30 onwards, yeah, 100%.
You was better. So you're saying at 28, 29, 30, you was better looking than you was at, like, let's say 22, 23, 24.
Yeah, 100%.
What made you better looking exactly? What changed?
I don't know.
No, you obviously do know because you're living your life in your shoes. So you can see you can look at your old pictures and look, okay, that wasn't that great then, but this is better now.
I never said it wasn't that great. I just feel now, I feel like I just get better with age.
Yeah, but you can feel what you want, but that doesn't mean it's reality though. If we take you out of it, say you're one of the anomalies, you're one of the special cases of women that you just look good at an older age, yeah? Let's say you're one of them. Do you think that is the typical thing that happens with most women?
No, definitely not. I also don't look 31.
Okay, but this is what I'm saying. Like, if you know, hold on. If you know in yourself that, but typically, listen, if you know in yourself that typically most women do not, their looks start to go down from like 25 onwards or 28 onwards.
Bullshit. I don't agree with that,
bruv.
I don't agree
it
from
is,
25.
bro.
I don't agree from 25. No way.
All right, let's put it like this. Let's make it even easier. I'll be even more lenient. Let's say 30. Let's say 30. Let's say 30. The looks start dropping off from 30. Let's say that.
All right. So because you think a woman from the age of 25 is the best looking,
that's her best years.
Why?
Because that's her youth. Like, she's youthful.
No, that's
what do you mean? Nah, it is, bro.
Nah.
I
definitely just do that.
So basically, all right, Kate. So at what age do you think that a woman should start thinking about settling down or getting a
Whenever
guy?
they're ready.
Whenever they're ready. But
whenever they feel ready.
Okay, but do you realize that if they wait too long, they may not be able to get the type of quality guy that they want or require? Do you understand that?
Why?
Because they'll be old and there's younger, better, fitter, more youthful version of them walking around.
So you're better because you're younger and fitter?
Yeah, because you got less mileage.
That's bullshit.
You got less mileage.
Bullshit.
It's not bullshit. You got less mileage, blood.
Well, I think it's
What would you rather buy? Would you buy a BMW 1 Series with 200,000 miles on it, or would you buy the exact same BMW with 89,000 miles on it? Which one would you buy?
Those guys that like classic
Which
cars
one would you buy?
We're not talking about me, because I'm not talking about.
No, I'm asking you. I'm asking you a simple question.
It depends on the person. What about? Those
No, I
guys
said
that
the car. I said car. I'm asking you about cars.
Yeah, and listen, I'm answering.
Yeah.
With what I'm answering with. So, what about those guys that like?
That's not the answer to the question. You're asking me something else.
Whatever I want. My answer can be whatever.
How can you answer a question with a question? That's not logical.
Very easily. I'm doing.
That's not logical.
Listen, you're saying which BMW would I prefer based on your view.
The mileage. No, it's not my view. It's the mileage. That's what it's based on.
The mileage doesn't mean your car's old.
What the? You don't want to answer the question. I'm asking
Okay,
you,
cool. So
which one would you buy? Would you buy the one with the higher mileage or the lower mileage? It's the exact same car. Listen, most people would say, I'm going to pick the BMW with less mileage.
Yeah.
That's logic. That's not just my opinion. That's everyone's opinion. That's your opinion. So at the same time, if a guy is like a, you know, he's got his ducks in a row, he's a well-to-do guy, he's quality, personality, all of that big, and then like, he's got the choice of picking 31-year-old woman, not saying you, 31-year-old woman, yeah,
no,
who's probably, hold on, who just on face value, she's probably lived her life since she was 18. She's been about finding herself, learning about herself, what she likes, what she don't like, right? Or he could get with a girl that's 23 who probably has done less finding out about herself out in the world.
Okay, I guarantee you, if that was that guy that you're talking about, and they took me on a date, and they took that 22-year-old on a date, they would choose me every time. You
don't know that.
I'm 100% confident.
You can be confident. You're just talking out of feeling. You don't know that.
No, I'm talking 100%.
No, you're talking out of feeling.
No,
you don't know. You haven't done the experiment. Listen, you haven't done no experiment to know this. You don't know what you're talking about.
I don't need to do an experiment.
Because you feel that that's the truth.
I know that's the truth.
You don't know. That's the whole point.
You don't know. How do you know it's not?
Huh?
How do you know it's not the truth?
Because, guess what? Most men usually like younger women. That's why.
My boyfriend is younger than me.
It don't matter what your boyfriend is doing, bro.
So how are you going about most?
Yeah, most is not all. Do you understand that?
No, I'm stupid.
So why? So if you knew that most is not all, why are you talking about your boyfriend?
Because you're very stereotypical with your like.
It's not stereotypical. The better word you could have used is generalizing. That would have been the better word, not stereotypical. Because what am I being stereotypical of?
Okay, generalizing.
Yeah. See what I'm saying? This is why, like, the way you speak, you say things and you say a lot of things wrong. And the reason why you say a lot of things wrong is because you feel a certain type of way about the things I'm saying, which is emotion. It makes an emotion. With me, even when you say things that I don't agree with, I still think with logic.